Welcome to the fascinating world of geographic information systems. Today we're led by GeoEye Egypt Company, a key player in this arena. With their guidance, we're exploring the captivating depths of this field. So, without further ado, let's dive into the concept of geographic information system. What exactly is GIS? It's a tool that fuses geographical data and conventional information, animating maps with data points. GIS, or Geographic Information System, couples maps visuals with data's analysis. It's not solely about locations, but also their interrelations and interactions. This system can transform how businesses function. GIS is more than maps, it's a tool that can revolutionize the way businesses operate. What are the advantages of GIS for businesses in various sectors? Let's delve into it. GIS boosts precision agriculture, aids in site management for mining, and it supports urban planning with spatial analysis. It facilitates geomarketing through targeted advertising based on geographical data. Simultaneously, it offers suitability models to aid sectors in determining expansion locations. GIS also benefits retail businesses and logistics, helping target marketing and optimize delivery routes. It assists utilities in infrastructure management and enables real estate firms to analyze property trends. Furthermore, it generates digital models that provide a comprehensive understanding of geographical data. GIS is more than a mapping tool, it's a superpower. It's a tool that brings data to life, painting a picture that's worth 1,000 spreadsheets. The multitude of benefits GIS offers to businesses spans across various sectors, demonstrating its wide-ranging applications and immense potential. At GeoEye Egypt, we unlock the potential of GIS for your business. We are a team of experienced professionals, curating geographic data and crafting customized solutions tailored to fit diverse business needs. We've got you covered, be it retail, real estate, logistics, or environment. GeoEye Egypt is your trusted partner in harnessing the power of GIS. Ready to unlock the power of GIS? Your future business begins with us. GeoEye Egypt is your key to transformation. We offer expert and free consultation services. This is the perfect opportunity to redefine your business strategies with GIS. Contact us today.